It ran, climbed the tree, and now they have to like wait.
Deep in the heart of East Africa lies a tribe that still lives the way humans did thousands of years ago. The Hadza people of Tanzania are considered the last true hunter-gatherers on earth. They hunt wild animals like baboons and antelopes, armed with handmade weapons and guided by packs of loyal hunting dogs. They sleep in huts made of branches and grass, and they eat only what nature provides: wild meat, honey, and seasonal fruits. Their entire existence is a window into our ancient past, and yet they are still here, thriving in a modern world that has almost forgotten them. Driven by a deep curiosity about the human condition, I've come to this remote corner of Africa to live with the Hadza. For the next 7 days, I will share their struggles, their triumphs, and their raw, honest way of life, to understand why they continue to live this way and what we might learn from them. This isn't just a journey into the wild, it's a journey back in time, into what it truly means to be human. Hidden deep in the heart of Tanzania, near the quiet shores of Lake Eyasi, lives one of the most ancient tribes on earth, the Hadza. This isn't just any location. This region is believed to be where Homo habilis, one of the earliest humans, walked nearly 1.9 million years ago. And today, the Hadza still walk that same land, living in ways that haven't changed for thousands of years. They are one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes in Africa, and only about 1,300 Hadza people remain on the planet. They speak Tanzanian, a language made up of unique clicking sounds. A language so rare, it's spoken by no other group in the world. It's unconnected to any known language family, making it one of the most mysterious and ancient tongues still in use.
ako bawa kakatane na ako sepa ako to iko tamate to ba ako sa boko iko tuzi ako kali ako ko hapo ako bawa kwa ita kakatane ta kalita usepa bita bawa Kasi atabani wa isabani ya Baby ball, take it see me, be a bit tired. Check out chicken, I am about. That would do a bit of cabo. Come on, through. Come on. Kaçı. Kaçı. Bravo. Ako na umuwi ako sa pagkita araw sa mga trip. Agdiya mami to ag chapa anak ko kaya mami Kuma pa mini ko manana. Kona.
Kuma so te be en shino.
Tushi wo. Ka na ko be na. La ka thone kon mai si.
Kuma na ukhobi.
Ikan mo Au to ko di ta bana imona imuina na ai mi e o
Kuimate so akaka. Embu tondolo ya tetebe.
Nana kwa
Kaongolo me ya sasa so ban ale.
seme mi teka so ama ulo
Kuma ataya
atu so ma wa iku chatibu yako.
Ule tunasema.